Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week, I am going to be planning the week of May 26th through June 1st. It'll actually be more like May 27th through June 2nd, but same difference either way. And I'm going to be planning in my B6 rings week on 3 pages inserts. So I just grabbed them out of my planner and I'm going to go ahead and jump in. This week, I'm using a kit by the Planner Society. And we got this kit at Winter Planner Land. It was in our swag. And I actually was subscribed to the Planner Society box. I'm no longer subscribed anymore. I also got that little pouch at Winter Planner Land. It's so cute. So now I can keep all my planner supplies together and I won't forget anything anymore. But anyway, we got this kit at Winter Planner Land and it's really cute. Like I said before, I was actually subscribed to the Planner Society box last year. She's since changed like a bi-monthly box, but this is the June box for last year. And I actually had the, this was the June box, sticker box subscription. So she has her subscription box and then she has like a different subscriptions with like corresponding subscription. So there's a box sticker kit, there's a washi kit, and I think there's one more that I can't remember. But anyway, so that is so fortunately I actually had the 15mm washi to match, so because this kit did not come with bottom washi. So I was going over the full boxes. Those are like the half boxes and quarter boxes and some little washi strips, and those are pages with like your text headers. Those are the little clipboard checklists, so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on in just a second. I end up having to do another voiceover, but it's all good. These videos tend to be a little shorter, so you know, I don't mind at all. My kids are screaming in the background, so I hope y'all can't hear them. I have to run this back and see. That's my daily insert. I actually use daily dot grid inserts to plan in as well, but lately I've just been using that little overview page to kind of keep track of everything. So that's the page I'll be referencing because these plan with me's are kind of like memory plans, memory plan, post planning. So yeah, so I'm just kind of, I got all my stack of foil right there, pulled it out. And I needed some date covers because, again, the kit did not come with date covers. So I was trying to see at this point which ones match the kit very well. I was going to use those at first, but I realized that the pinks didn't match. And I ended up actually deciding on those little scallop corner hollow date covers. I felt like those were the closest match and that the kit actually looked really good with hollow. So that's the full color that I chose to use in this plan with me. So I'm just pulling out some date dots, and I think I ended up grabbing some date dots from just like another sticker kit. So that's kind of what you see me doing right here. And I'm most likely, I had left at this part to go find date dots. So I was still like fishing through, but and then right here, I decided I would just go ahead and put down the glitter headers. So yeah. So next up, you're just gonna see me basically, at this point, I had went and got the glitter headers. I mean, I went and got the date dots I was just gonna use from, I had some leftover ones from the dream kit that I went ahead and used. So yeah. So at this point, I was just getting ready to lay down my date covers and date dots. I was fishing through the kit just to make sure there wasn't anything in it that I wanted to go ahead and lay down before I got started. And I'm going to speed through the date covers, date dots, and glitter headers. So y'all will just, you know, see that part sped up with some music or whatever. Because again, don't nobody need to see all that and have me talking through that whole part. So I'll do that and I'll be back, y'all. Alrighty, so I am back to go ahead and get the sidebar all filled in. I got those date covers and date dots down, and now I'm just going to work on getting that sidebar filled in. I ended up being so happy to realize that I had a this week coordinating kind of, it was a this week sticker, but it kind of coordinated with the day covers, because again, the kit did not come with that. She just had pretty much like to do today. I think if she did, I don't think she did this week one. So anyway, I just put down that little half box with a little heart, and I was going to mark Memorial Day. I thought I maybe had a Memorial Day sticker in my collection, but I think I used them all between all the different Playing With Me's that I've been doing. So I did not have a Memorial Day. So I ended up just writing it in, but you see me right here just kind of fishing through my collection. Yes, I have a lot of foil that, and everything you see pretty much in the video right here is everything that's already up in my shop, with the exception of items that I just haven't added. But like, you know, those stickers, those holiday stickers are all up in the shop and all that. So I was just fishing through, only to no avail, to realize that I did not have, another Memorial Day, you know, script text, full script text. So at this point, I was just cutting a header size piece of washi, and just gonna, you know, do a little bit of separation. This spread was a bit more white spacey as well. I cut it a little too long, but you'll see me snip off that end. I'd actually cut it short and had to cut it again, but I just edited that part out of the video because there was no need for it. So I was cleaning that little part up a little bit. So this week, well, this is last week at this point. Well, the week before last. So again, I'm a little behind on getting these up, but this one was actually like an hour and 18 minutes. So I was able to edit it down to about 30 minutes, and by the time I sped the footage up, it's now about 17, just right under 18 minutes. And that full box, I absolutely love those little lemons. So I have another plan that I'll be editing and doing the voiceover for after this one, and then I will be caught up. And this gave me like very summer vibes, very June, but with some vintagey elements. Like it's giving me kind of like a 1960s vibe with the colors and things like that. So yeah. And I absolutely love those little scallop edge Bill Do stickers. I realized that I did not want to include like the regular functional Bill Do stickers in my Playing With Me's, because I use those in my monthly Playing With Me. So I want something a little bit different. And what better way to incorporate, you know, foil than to, you know, or rather, what better way to, at least if you're going to have a Bill Do sticker in your spread, then it might as well be pretty, right? That's at least the philosophy I subscribe to. And then the one thing I did like about, at least I like about the way she does her little checklist, it's the little clipboards. I think those are really, really cute. I actually have a little clipboard full box in my monthly spread. It's not a checklist. It's just like a little full box that I made from a clipboard. I think they're really cute. And that's another scallop edge sticker. It's just a film one. And I just kind of did put down some little deco in it, a little heart, and I put down that full box at the bottom. And again, the paper was getting away, so I don't know what's going on. I put the next quote full box on, I believe that would be Thursday, because I want to make sure I actually used it. A lot of times I kind of plan Thursday and Friday concurrently. I don't know why. I don't know if I just like, by the time I get to Thursday and Friday, I have a pretty good idea of where I want to take the spread. So you'll see me jump back and forth between Thursday and Friday. The first full box that I used in the kit was a really cute one. I think it said, "Oh, Happy Day." It was like the little mason jar with the books. So cute. And then right there, I just layered a New Releases full script atop of a little bow deco that she had in the spread. Put down a little work sticker. Those should actually be design ones. I actually did make design ones, but I just filled in work. Same difference. If I'm working, I'm designing, working. I just put down that little sticker right there. I don't really remember what that was for. I'm pretty sure it was for something. And I like, y'all know me, I like more squared off boxes. And I had just chosen to do a little checklist at the bottom, a little flag checklist at the bottom. So right here, I was just putting, I want to say that's a quarter box that I was going to mark something there. Like I said, at this point, it's like 2 weeks ago, and I don't have my like planner in front of me, so bear with me. So a little to do is that header got a little janky when I cut it, but look, y'all, I had to roll with it. So that's another film, and I was just making sure, because this paper was like a really like, not a super high quality matte, it was a super basic matte. So, and y'all know me, I'm used to working with glossy or premium matte, honey. So yeah, nothing's wrong with matte, but you know, I really never had matte sticker paper. Even when I first started making sticker kits, I immediately ordered premium matte and glossy. Well, I ordered samples to see how everything was, and I just knew that glossy wasn't going to work for me. I think I ordered maybe a few stickers in the past that were matte, but most of the time I would order glossy just because I know I'm bougie like that, y'all. Like, you know, I what can you do? So anyway, I'm just cutting this washi down to header size. So, and again, like I said, this kit was giving me some real summertime vintage feels. But I liked it. It was different for me, really different. And so I have a few weeks in my planner where I'm using kits from different shops, which is kind of refreshing. I haven't really been that inspired to design anything for my shop. So it's nice to kind of have a break and use kits that I've had sitting around that I would typically never really use. But I am going to get back into designing some kits very soon because I have a lot of floral artwork, you know, on hand that I really think will make beautiful kits. So yeah. Alrighty, so I'm just going back and adding a little bit of deco in because this kit did have some really cute little deco stickers. And yeah, so I took my little trash can icon at the top, if you can see. Then I'm putting like a little film. And I would actually lift some of those up to put a quarter box. So I had room to kind of write in what I was filming. I just laid down a little piece of deco. I want to say that may have been like one of the games for the finals. I'm not sure, y'all. So, but I'm really looking forward to, I think game 6 comes on tonight. So I hope Golden State wins. We'll see. They won by the skin of their teeth in the last game. So yeah. I didn't even know the Raptors existed, much less in the NBA. Like, I was like, and it's funny because they're a Canadian team. So I was like, well, that's interesting that you have a Canadian team in the NBA because I thought it was like NBA American, but maybe because Toronto is so close to the US, like it's pretty much when I looked it up. It's like right by one side Michigan and like between Michigan and New York or something. I could be wrong, but I know it's close to Michigan, so I'm pretty sure a lot of the players on the team are American. But it's kind of cool, you know. I can't say I'm a big fan of the way they play. They play just as dirty as like Cleveland was playing when LeBron was there. I feel like Golden State, they don't play as dirty as a lot of teams. So yeah. So anyway, I was just putting my little today sticker down on Sunday. That's always for faith and worship. And at this point, I was on the weekend. And then her kit, it didn't have a weekend banner. It had like a weekend sticker. So yeah, and that just made me realize I need to make some weekend foil scripts so that if I'm using a kit that doesn't have one, or doesn't have one that I like, I can easily replace it with, you know, a really pretty one. So I was just putting down a little to-do header script right there. I kind of had to shift some things around, moving things up, so I had room for a little bit of stick at the bottom. But y'all, with the magic of editing, you didn't see all that. So that's my little 2-heart checklist to do. And I think I just had basically a grocery run for that day and filling up my tank. And I want to say that was for me marking probably like a TV show or whatever at the bottom. I don't remember really, y'all. I know on Sundays I always watch Real Houses of Potomac, so that's most likely what that was. And at this point, we're kind of getting to the end of the plan with me here, but I'm just going to put down the washi. That bow washi is from the Plant Society. I can't remember what kit it came in, but I want to say it came in like a trio of like maybe 3 of like bow washi like that, and it's like really skinny. I don't know the measurement for it, whatever, maybe like 5mm. I don't know, but it's really cute to layer on top of the 15mm. So I just put that down, and then I have the perfect amount of space to put down the 15mm washi, which is really, really pretty. I remember when I got this kit last year, I remember thinking that the washi for it was really, really pretty. So yeah, I was excited to actually break it open and use it. I really hadn't used much with the kits, you know. I just kind of got them. I think it was like FOMO. And I said, well, I'll say subscribe to it for a year. And then after a year, I'll, you know, if I don't want to subscribe to it anymore, I won't. So I ended up, it was perfect timing anyway because she changed how she was bringing the kits out. And so, yeah, I didn't want to do, she increased the price and she ended up switching to a bi-weekly. So it just kind of worked out that, you know, upon like not renewing my subscription, it just worked out that way. So I'm just putting on the bottom washi on this part, and overall I'm really, really happy with the way the spread came out. Like I say, it was fun to be able to use a different kit, to be able to do a different type of planning. My kids are going absolutely crazy. So as soon as I got this plan with me, I went to see, because I know my youngest son, he's like 19 months. He's probably destroying. I hear him like throwing around toys. So I'm about to go check. I'm about to go check on him and get him all the way together. He is super rambunctious. I mean, I wouldn't take him any other way, you know, but he is he's all that a 19-month-old little boy would be. But I will say, getting back to the spread, that it was nice to work with just like regular washi instead of like sticker kit washi, because I don't really get a chance to work with regular washi all too often. So, and it's so easy to like tear and stuff like that. You could just tear it. You just line up a ruler or a card and just tear it right away. You have to get out like the whole little, you know, tool and cut it and do all that. So yeah, my son is going crazy. I just use my little embroidery scissors to snip that away. And the good thing I like is because a lot of times with the B6 kits, it's hard to have enough washi to go all the way around. So with this, I did like that I could keep the washi consistent on, you know, all the pages, even the back page. A lot of times my back page has a different kind of washi, bottom washi setup. I did not do a sidebar for this plan with me, or a next week sidebar. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I actually don't know where I left off because my son was going bonkers. I had to go check and see what was going on. So I am back to finish up the voiceover. It was like way too much. Like I was gonna try to go ahead and just add like a minute left, but it was just like craziness. I was hearing all kind of rumbling and tumbling, and y'all had to go check it out because I had to make sure the house wasn't falling down. So anyway, so getting back to the plan with me, that's mom life, y'all. I got 3 under 5, and at any given moment, some craziness is going on. I gotta make sure somebody isn't jumping off something, somebody isn't throwing something, somebody isn't harassing someone, which they're always doing. So anyway, I was just cleaning up the washi, and that was pretty much it for the plan with me, y'all. So you'll see me in a little bit, you know, basically just trimming that off. See me in a little bit, just put it back in my planner. And yeah, show y'all the whole completed spread. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me and seeing something a little different. So hit the thumbs up button if you like this plan with me, you guys, and please consider subscribing. You can find the supplementary icons like the script, text, and 4 icons at blissandfaith.com, and me over on Instagram at Bliss and Faith. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.